I'm sure you've heard the news. Shopping smart can save you big bucks. Let's uncover the secrets together. First up, always make a shopping list. This simple step can save you from impulse buys and keep you focused. Imagine walking into a store and knowing exactly what you need. Pretty cool, right? Next, do a little homework before hitting the stores. Compare prices online, read reviews, and check for coupons or discounts. It's like being your own personal shopping detective. Speaking of discounts, don't forget about loyalty programs. They can score you points, rewards, and exclusive deals. And hey, who doesn't love free stuff? Now, let's talk timing. Shopping off-season is a game changer. Buying winter clothes in summer or vice versa can save you up to 50%. It's like having a secret shopper's calendar. Another tip, be mindful of sales tactics. Ever notice those flashy buy one get one deals? Make sure it's something you really need or it's just extra clutter. Remember, not every deal is a steal. Finally, don't forget about quality over quantity. Sometimes spending a bit more upfront on a durable item can save you money in the long run. Think of it as an investment in your future self. So there you have it, smart shoppers. With these tips, you'll be a pro in no time. Happy shopping, and may the bargains be ever in your favor.